Hi, my name is Yogesh, and today I'm going to tell you something about prioritization of projects. A lot of project managers actually come to me and ask me, how do I prioritize so many projects that I am working on? And the answer to that particular question is that there is a simple, straightforward, three-step process that you can utilize in order to prioritize any number of projects that you want to work on. For the sake of simplicity, I actually call this process as list, sequence, and estimate method. Now let me isolate these three steps for you and tell you the details of each and every step. The first step is list. That means you actually reach out to your business partners, your product owners, and find out the projects that you want to work on. That is the first step. Making a list of all the projects is going to be the first step. The second step is going to be sequence. That means you understand the business criticality of each and every item and you make a sequence with the help of your business. A lot of times you require some collaboration with your technology teams because there may be a situation where some projects may not be technically feasible so that they will actually impact the sequence, and therefore you have to consider their opinion in order to form the sequence of projects. That somehow in the second step, in collaboration with your business and technology, you need to form a sequence. Now, the third step is going to be asking for estimates to your developers and testers. And that is one of the simplest steps, but that is exactly where a lot of confusion happens in your teams. Because developers and testers are not actually trained to provide estimates. They have a lot of questions, and those questions are in the form of what if I do not get something? What if there is a dependency? What if I'm not able to get a particular hardware on time? And these are all assumptions. So you have to basically guide your developers and testers to say that these are the assumptions, and considering these assumptions, provide me estimates. And that is how you actually get estimates from your developers and testers. Now, at the end of the third step, you have got a prioritized list of all projects with timelines. Isn't that amazing? Well, now there is only one thing to think about is that there may be a change in your scope. Some projects may get added later on, some projects may be taken out of scope. How do you handle that? Well, you have the formula. You always go with the first step, that is listing down the projects that you want to work on, sequencing the projects by considering business criticality and technical feasibility, and the third step is going to be asking estimates. Do not deviate from this process. At the end of the day, you are a leader of your project or your organization. If you follow this process, you will be seen as a leader because you are actually leading your teams through this entire process. And that is exactly how you can prioritize multiple projects, regardless of multiple change requests, regardless of schedule slippages, and many other factors that influence your project delivery. So if you follow list, sequence, and estimate method, I'm sure you will be able to prioritize all your projects and you will be seen as a leader in your organization. Thank you so much.